Hello guys, are you stranded on Fiverr and you're trying to make money on Fiverr and it seems not to be working? You seem not to be making sales on Fiverr, or you are out there and you want to get on Fiverr and you want to start making money as soon as possible once you get on Fiverr. Now in this particular video, guys, I'm actually going to fix that for you. Now the reason why you're on Fiverr and you've not been able to make sell is because on that particular gig which you are on, a lot of people actually offering that gig on Fiverr, right? Because Fiverr is actually very, very saturated. There are thousands of people out there on Fiverr who are actually the same service. Let's take that you're offering website design. That's the gig you're offering on Fiverr. Now, there are about 52,000 people who are doing website design on Fiverr, or more than that. All right. Now, you would want to actually start getting sales. People need to see you. All right. These people who are already on Fiverr are being seen at the top page. Remember that I actually have 5-star rating and all of that, and they're actually being seen on the top page. So it seems hard for you to get on the top page. Now, in this particular video, guys, I'm actually going to help you to get on the top page, all right? So if you want to start, I'm actually going to help you start. If you're already there, I'm actually going to help you and tell you what gigs to actually create to actually get on Fiverr top page, because that's the most important thing. You want to rank. Now, this Fiverr gigs I'm going to give you out, they're actually like 10 of them. Now, these Fiverr gigs will actually help you to rank on Fiverr top page. They are low competition Fiverr gigs. They'll actually help you to rank on Fiverr top page. Now, these particular gigs, it's not yet saturated. There are not a lot of people out there who know about it, and that is why you would want to implement what I'm going to show in this particular video, right? So I'm actually going to go right to my laptop screen right here and show you everything that you need to know, like this Fiverr gigs from A to Z, and I'm actually going to try as much as possible to help you with these gigs. Now, don't worry, because these gigs do not require you to have certificate or tech or the skills. All right, you can actually be able to fix these gigs on your own. All right, and some of them you would need just a few of them would require that you have the skill. All right, but those ones you can actually do it yourself. All right. Without further ado, guys, let me go to my laptop screen and show you everything. But before that, guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Link, and one thing I do on this particular channel is that I create videos that are centered around making money online. All right. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon, so that next time when I drop these awesome videos on how to make money online, guys, you get notified. All right, and so that you start making money ahead of your competitors. All right, because you know, right, this gigs right now, I'm going to show you right now. If you start working on it right now, you'll be able to start making money almost immediately before your competitors get to see the video, right? So be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon. All right, so see you on my laptop screen right now. All right, so welcome back to my screen, and as I told you earlier, guys, I'll be showing you low competition gigs on Fiverr that will help you to actually rank. And these gigs are actually on high demand. That's one thing you should know. These gigs are actually on high demand. And if you don't know what Fiverr is a freelance place where you offer services and in exchange you get money. There are a lot of services you can offer on Fiverr, such as logo design, WordPress, voiceover, video explainer, and social media services. There are a lot of services that you can actually offer on Fiverr, and you make money offering the services on Fiverr. All right, now we're actually going to talk about this top gigs. All right, I'm going to start with the first one. All right, so the first one right here I'm going to show us, I'm going to do this quickly, is article to video. Now if you get on Fiverr, you get to search for article to video, click on the search bar and come over right here. You have search result for article to video. It's about look at this, that's article to video. Now come over right here, you have about 12,768 services available, and that is a lot of gigs. Now if you come over right here, we'll have online sellers and click on online sellers. We're going to see how many of them who are active, right, who are online, and if we see them right here, we actually know how many they are, and to know if there's a lot of number. Now what I know, right, it's not actually a lot of number, because if we come over right here and check for website design, let's come over right here and type website design, okay, and click on enter. Yeah, this is it. About 95,000 120 services are available on this. But if you look at this one, remember what I showed you earlier, it was about 12,000 persons actually offering this gig, and the people who are online are about 586 services available or online. So right now you can actually create a gig on article to video. Now what this is basically is that they actually give an article and you convert this article to video. It's that you actually do a voiceover or yeah, it's actually a voiceover about on the article, right? So this person says I will write convert article to text, article and text to video. It says I will convert article to videos. This is another gig. Article to video. This is actually another idea right now. Article to video. I'm actually showing you this idea right here. Article to video, right? Article to video. All right, and this one I'll convert blog post script or article to video with voiceover, about $10, and you can actually charge from $5, $10 to $30, and as much as you can actually charge. So this is actually the first gig right here. Now you create this gig, this will help you to, and then you're always online. This will actually help you to be on the front page. Now the reason why I actually click on this is if I want to actually buy a gig on Fiverr, I also sell a gig on Fiverr. I actually want to buy a gig on Fiverr. I'm actually going to go for online sellers because I wouldn't want to contact or actually buy from someone who is offline. So be able sure to always be online, right? So I actually go to the next one right here. The next one right here, the next gig right here, which has a low competition but high demand, is fitness video. Now if you look at right here, click on this, you click on services available. So this is not checked. The online sellers is not checked right here. You can see that it's not checked yet. Now it has about 660 services. Now people actually need there's fitness videos and they want to create quotes with it or create anything with it. Now can you actually give them something like this? If you actually physically fit, you have abs, you can actually do this. But then if you don't, you can actually pay someone else to do this for a little amount of money, and you actually you keep the rest of the money, right? So this person does it for like $50, right? So for $50, this person does something like this, which is actually the basic plan. So for $50, this person does it. You can actually pay someone, if you don't have the physique, you can actually pay someone who has the physique, like something like $20, and you keep the $30. That's a lot of money. Now you do it over and over again, you make money. Now if you come over right here and click on online sellers here, if it loads up right here, you see that the services right here is still actually going to reduce. So come right here, 27 services available. Now if you actually want to start making money on Fiverr, this is actually going to help you because you have just 27 services available on this gig, and just create something like this fitness video and you will be able to rank on the top page. Now be sure to actually implement this. Don't postpone it. Don't say I'm actually going to do it later. Don't procrastinate. Do it right now so that you can actually start making money. Now let's go to the next one right here. So I'm actually going to close this up right here, and we actually go to the next one. Now the next one which I'm going to show you is way better than what I've shown you before, but it can actually help you to rank on Fiverr. Now if you've seen this video so far, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon. It helps me to know that I'm actually doing well, right? Like this video, smash the like button so that help me to know that I'm actually doing well. If you have any comments, put that in the comment section, all right? So come over right here. You have results for social media video editing, and come over right here. You see that it has about 55,838 services are available, and we come over right here and click on online sellers right here, and we're actually going to allow it to actually sort it out and show us how many of them are online. There are about 2,745 services available on this. This person says I will do professional social media video editing for $100. This person says I will do that for $30. This person says I will do that for $25, and you can actually make a lot of money doing this. Now if you actually check this person, it is about 122 services completed right here. You can see from here, I don't know if you're seeing it properly, about 123 services right here. Now you can actually if you actually do the math, you see that that's a lot of money. All right, this can even help you to make around $5,280, all right, because I've actually made this amount of money doing this low competition gigs on Fiverr, right? So if you click on right here, we have 2,000. So you actually go for this one. Now I'm actually going to click off this and go to the next one right here because I want to be quick with this thing that I'm actually doing right here now. So the next one right here is personal social media manager. Now if you actually go for social media manager, that's going to be a lot of services, a lot of gigs out there on Fiverr that are already going for social media manager. Now you want to go for personal social media manager. So if you come over right here, you had about 19,721 services available. Now you come over right here and click on online sellers, which is how we're sorting it, and we're actually going to find out that it's not a lot of persons who are actually offering the services on Fiverr, and that are active, right? So we have about 1,147 services available on Fiverr. So you can actually use person charges from $10, $40, $15, $50, and way higher or way lower than that. So you can actually create this gig on Fiverr and start making money. It's that easy. So let's go over to the next one right here. All right, I actually lost count, but you should know that this is around the fifth one right here. Okay, so the fifth one right here, marketing advice. There are people out there who are on Fiverr and they don't they want to go into marketing, but they need advice, or they need reports. They need to know what it's all about. They need to like do research or one or two things about that marketing thing they want to do. So you want to actually go out there and give them advice on it. All right, so you can actually create a video recording yourself, the advice you want to send out to them. So like, look at this person talk with Scott, and you can actually arrange a Zoom with the person, and the person is actually going to give you an advice, and you make money. It's that simple. And these are about 110 services available. I've not even clicked on online sellers. So if I should click on online sellers right here, it's going to sort it out and show us how many of them are online. Just about 4 services available, online services, about 4 of them. So you can actually go on right now, maximize this, and start making money. This person charges like $130. This person charges about $15, $70, $20, and that is it. Just about 4 of them are online. Now maximize this and start making money on Fiverr. It's that easy. Now let's go to the next one right here. The next one right here is, let's allow it load, and we can actually say the next one right here is unboxing videos. All right, so the gig unboxing videos right here is it has about 464 services available on unboxing videos. All right, so you can actually see that right here, and this person charges about $50 to $75, $75 to $130, above $130. This person charges about $215 to do unboxing videos. So there are companies out there who just need people to actually review their products, open it up, and talk about the features of the product. All right, so you can actually do this and make money on Fiverr, and it's actually a low competition gig on Fiverr. Right, so if you come over right here, we have online sellers. We check this out. Look at this one, has about 464. All right, so if you check online sellers, you see that the active people on this are just about 20 people. All right, 20 people are actually active on this, and you can actually start right now to create something like this and hop in right now, and you stand a chance of actually getting people to actually contact you, companies to actually contact you, and you make money off doing this. All right, so we're actually going to go to the next one right here. So let's go to the next one right here. The next one right here is birthday wishes. All right, so some people actually want to wish their loved ones birthday, happy birthday, and you can actually do that. You can actually create a video of yourself wishing them happy birthday, and you've come over right here. It says, I will give you funny birthday wishes, wish from Africa, Lion Team. I will wish, sing happy birthday video, or say any message while milking. All right, so this is actually doing this. So you're actually putting your creativity in that, and this person says, I wish someone happy birthday in my newsroom. All right, so something like this could actually work. This person says, I wish for a happy birthday Africa, and dance to birthday song. So some people actually want to wish their loved ones happy birthday, and you can actually do this for them. Create a video of yourself wishing them happy birthday, and just like that, you start making money on Fiverr. It's that easy, all right? So now the next thing you want to do right here, you click on online sellers and come over right here. We'll have 30 services available. So you see that not a lot of persons are actually active on this, all right? So let's go to the next one. We don't want to waste much of your time, all right? I know I'm talking too fast, and that is because I don't want this video to actually take too long, all right? So if you actually like what I've done so far, what I've shown you so far on this particular video, and want to get videos like this actually help you to make money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that next time I upload a new video on how to make money online, guys, you get notified. All right, so without further ado, let's come over right here. The next one right here is product animation. Now, these actually require that you have the skill, and you want to actually create a skill. Okay, you want to animate a product and still talk about the product, and make it realistic, but it's not going to be like unboxing, but it's kind of similar to unboxing, but then it's gonna be way more something like that. I wouldn't want to go into all the explanation right here. So come over right here. Use Google. You know how to use Google, right? So when you use Google properly, what is product animation? It shows you all about it, and it shows you the software you can actually use for product animation. You have Anim Studio, and you have the Toon Boom, and you have Adobe Photoshop, and you have Adobe Flash, and the Creating. Right. So this is actually what you can actually use to create a product animation. All right. So let's go product animation right here, and you see that about 3,850 services available on Fiverr, and you come over right here, click on online sellers. So click on online sellers right here. We actually wait for rates, and it says about 240 services available. So that's not a lot of persons. You can actually get to the front page if you create this gig right now, and you see other people on the front page right here actually ranking very well. They have about 5.0 rating, star rating, about 5.0 star rating. Just person has about 4.9, and if you actually do this properly, you actually start making money. And this person charges about 350, 290, $80, 125, and $70. This person charges as high as $2,000, and this person is actually pro verified. All right. So now the next one right here is actually this one right here. This is actually the 9th one right now. So let's give it a moment to load. All right. This is actually the easiest one right here in all of these gigs, and this easiest one right here is blog comments. All right. So you can actually go to people's blog and comments, and you actually make money for writing blog comments on people's blogs. All right. It's that simple. All right. You see this person charges about $5. This person charges about $20, $20, $5, $15, $5, $5, $20, $5, $10, right? So you see that it has about 1,928 sellers available, and if you come over right here and click on online sellers right here, and if you load it up, you see that about 114 services available that are online, that are active. You can actually get on to this page if you go over right here and you're always active. That's the advice. Create your gig, and also make sure to be active. All right. So now about creating these gigs, right? You should actually look at what's already working out for people right here. So this person, look at this. This is actually good. This is actually good. You actually duplicate what's actually happening. You don't need to actually invent, do something new. You can actually work with what is already working on Fiverr, and you'll not be flagged. So you come over right here. The last one right now, all right? The last one right now is actually menu card design, right? So if you've gotten to this point so far, congratulations. Now you've gotten the 10 top high demand Fiverr gigs that are of low competition that will actually help you to get on Fiverr and make money. All right, it's that easy. Now the last one right here is menu card design. Now that you've gotten this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon so that next time I upload a new video on how to make money online, guys, you get notified. So this one says I'll design amazing editable food restaurant menu. This is about $15, $10, $10, $10. All right. So this you design a menu card for those people. You can actually use Canva for this. Get on Canva and learn it. Now you can actually go to YouTube and actually learn how to design menu card design. It's that easy. All right. Go to YouTube and find information right here, which is going to actually help you, and you design this menu card design and give it to your clients. All right. About 11,704 persons actually doing this service, but when we click on online sellers right here, we'll see that it reduces to a whole lot. All right. So the people who are actually active on this, about 536 services, and they're available. Right. So you can actually choose create something like this, be available, be online. All right. And create something that is actually good to look at, and you get to rank and you get to make money, right? So that's basically how it works, right? So guys, we are done with this right now. I'm actually going to allow you to put into practice what I've shown you so far. If you don't put into practice, if you don't create these gigs, you will not start making. I don't know how you tend to actually start making money on Fiverr with your high competition Fiverr gigs, right? So create these ones right here, start making money, and then you can do better, right? So that is it, guys. Now, but sure to actually watch other videos which actually help you to make money online, because you actually want to create those gigs, and while you wait to get sales notifications, be sure to actually learn other ways to make money online by watching my other videos. All right, so guys, it's actually going to be a peace out right now, and guys, I'm actually going to see you in my next video. So peace out.